This is the Old Guy Network.
Welcome back to the Old Guy Network. I'm the old guy, the OG, Jay. You know who you are. And before we get into day 13, that's right, day 13 of the trailer flip. Yeah, where is it? Yeah, see? Day 13. I got my glasses. I can see it now. Well, I got the bad glasses, but I can still see it. But I have an update on the Sawzall. The what? The Sawzall. That thing I was supposed to get like a month and a half ago. But it turned out to be a scam and I didn't get it, and I've been waiting for PayPal to give me a refund, and they finally said they would. Also, they said it would take about 5 days, so anytime between now and 5 days we should have the money back. I'll be able to go to the store, I'll purchase the Sawzall, I'll do the unboxing, and then I will give it away to one of the viewers. That's what I promised to do. I still intend on doing that, so that's really, really good news. Now back to the trailer flip. Again, 13. Yeah, it's day 13. Jake came by today, did a bunch of stuff for me. He really, this guy is, he's a beast. Like I say, I've said it before, he's a beast. And also, Krista showed up. So she came by and helped paint for a little while, and she did a great job. She helped us with the bathroom. And awesome, it was wonderful. And everybody else, well, no, they all had other stuff to do, so that's just the way it is. So, you know, we got a bunch of stuff done, still got a ways to go. This is day 13. Are we going to have this all done by tomorrow? No way in hell. It's not going to happen. I can't imagine it. We got so close, but there's just too much to do. I mean, it's yeah. I've been putting in the beginning 12-hour days, then I had to back off a little bit, and I've been doing 10-hour days lately. I'm up to 130 hours right now. It's not going to happen, but we are going to get close. We also are we're still going to have the open house on Sunday. I'm going to have enough done so that we'll be able to have the open house. I still have to get a lawnmower over there, mow the lawn. The park still hasn't removed the tree or what's left of the tree, and I got to find out, you know, why they haven't done that and when are they planning on doing that, because I'd like to cut the grass back there and see if I can get things to look a little bit better. But it's not going to happen in one more day, but we're going to get really close, and hopefully we'll have everything all buttoned up by Sunday. Gonna have the party anyway. What the heck, you know, we've worked hard, all of us have. So let's take a look and see what we did on day 13. So let's do that now. Which way do we look? I don't know. Let's go there, right through the YouTubes.
It is day 13. Look at that counter. That is nice. That's 3 coats right there. I'm going to do a light sanding with 2000 grit sandpaper on it. Then we'll put another coat on and then see, maybe I can just buff it out and we're done. I like to do 4 or 5 coats, but you know what? We're running out of time. And this is going to get done today, hopefully. I've been saying that all along. Okay, I'm just cleaning up in here. Let's see if we can get it to focus. Yeah, there we go. I can't tell if it's in focus because I lost my glasses, so everything's fuzzy to me. So hopefully this looks all right. I'm cleaning up some of this stuff. We're going to get some of it out and move it around. And some tools we don't need, so those are going to go out into the shed. And as you can see, I got the curtain rods up last night. Got the doors on. I have not painted the faces of the doors, so that will get done today. Jake has gone to get some supplies, including brushes. Didn't make sense for both of us to go to Home Depot today because the only 2 guys are here working. Why have them both stop working? So Jake has gone to get the Luan and a bunch of other stuff. Hopefully he'll get some lights too today. And I'm going to stay here and knock out what I can. And in the bathroom, the floor is setting up. It's looking really good. Took the shower bar off. So the next thing, what I'm going to do right now is come in here with a sander and clean this up as best as I can. And then, once we're all done, then we'll get some trim in here and get that taken care of. We've got closers coming for the cabinets. We're going to paint these cabinets, get them all freshened up. And hopefully we'll have new globes for up there too. So I'm going to go grab a sander and get that started. Krista's going to be on YouTube. She just had to go get a step stool, so we had to do a little dance in the hallway. All right. Krista, you have to use a step stool? No.
Really?
Look what she's doing in here. She sanded down all the bad spots where I shot nails through the wall.
Yeah.
It was an accident. So, holy crap, she's doing a nice job. And there's Jake, the Beast. I'm just going to refer to him as the Beast now.
Hey, I don't got 23 personalities.
What, only 22?
Yep.
Yeah, okay.
I'm working on 23.
He's doing a nice job back here. And Krista, she's just, look at her go. Miranda, who needs you?
Oh.
We do. We wish you were here. Holy crap. And I'm rocking out the lights that Jake got. And he got some beautiful lights. Let's go take a look at those. All right, I've already put up one light. This is one of the lights that Jake got. And I turned the power off because I'm going to do this light over here next. But I think they look really nice. They're classic looking. Brushed nickel. I think it looks really nice. I promise they do work too. All right, here's the lights in there. That looks nice. Let's travel down the hallway. Yay! And there's Krista. That's kind of funny. I didn't even see you on camera. I was too high. And then we got the lights in here. But unfortunately, I told Jake to get one light, not enough. So Krista has said that she'd go to the store and get us another light because she's awesome. Thank you for doing the closet too. She was painting the closet. Oh, she's still painting the closet. She's so little. Back home in my trailer hood for a few minutes. Got to feed the dog and spend a little time with him. He's missing me something awful right now. Hello, Bex. Dexter. Are you ignoring me now? I just told everybody you were missing me. Oh, I guess not. Oh, jeez. I keep stepping on his leash. Want to go get some supper? Come on. And there's the final light that we have today. And it works. Looks really nice up there too. Now this is one of the old ones. Because we are one short, I put that one back up. We can clean it up, make it look a little nicer. Or just go to the store and buy another one. But I don't know. I'm not going to do it right now anyway. These look pretty good. They're actually up there temporarily, just so we can have some light. I'll drop them down when we paint the ceiling and then put them back up. They come down really simple, really easy. So here we go. Krista did an outstanding job. We've got, I think she got 2 coats and then she had to leave. She's very busy. And up here, got the joint compound up here. It's looking really nice. Somebody had done something up there, I don't know, but we're making it look better. I'll do here, along the edges, then along these edges, and then we'll put our molding up and then finish off the painting. Definitely not getting this done tomorrow. I don't think so anyway. That looks good. And they work. Got the curtain rods up. Didn't do anything on the bar today because, well, I needed to cut a bunch of wood. And then we had a little surprise outside. Let me go show you that. More stuff to pick up. And Jake built this nice little rail here, nice little banister and railing. It's good. I mean, it's safer. And we noticed the brick molding was in pretty bad shape. Down at the bottom it was rotted, so we pulled it off to check the trailer, and the trailer is not rotted at all. It's perfect actually. So I took the brick molding off and I made a nice big beefy piece of brick molding, or 3 pieces of brick molding with leftover 2x4s that I had. Beveled the edges, and we'll just paint that, and it'll look pretty good. Unfortunately, we can't save the screen door, but we did save the screen door in the front. Let's go take a look. Alright, we couldn't save the screen door out back, but it did have something on it I needed for this door, and that was the closer. And now we have a closer, and it holds the door shut. Doesn't close it all the way, but the door does close now. This piece we had to take off and do a little work to it. Whoever put it on here didn't have anything backing it in the back here. Like right here, we added this part. And then we were able to put the rail back on. And even though the latch is a little funky, it's old, it does close now and stays closed. So that's nice. So we'll get the brick molding on this side all painted, because there's nothing wrong with this brick molding, and that'll look good. All the doors and all of the fronts on the drawers. Oh, we're missing one. No, we're not. It's right there. They're all painted. Everything's painted. We just got to go along and do some touch-up work. I mean, just a little bit. And I got to do a little bit of sanding there and paint the wall. But the painting, except for the bathroom, is pretty much done. So I'm pretty happy about that. Still haven't taken this off yet. Hopefully we're gonna get that done real soon. Oh my goodness. Man.
That pretty much wraps up day 13. That means day 14 is tomorrow. I'm a genius, right? Yeah, day 14, I can count. And that is supposed to be the final day. Not going to be the final day, but we did get a lot done. As you can see, the bathroom is really coming along nice. Hopefully we can button that up tomorrow. I'm really hopeful. We did get a lot of the little stuff out of the way, got all the lights up. It was a good day, and again, Jake, thank you very much. Krista, you didn't have to show up, but you did, and I really appreciate that. The rest of the crew, well, like I've said before, they have either new jobs and school, or new jobs and school and their old jobs, and they just got so much to do. So, you know, that's just the way it is, and I'm sure they would be here if they could be. And they've all been great. I couldn't ask for a better crew. I guess I could ask for it, but I wouldn't get a better crew. They're pretty damn good. So that's going to do it for day 13. Please join us on what was supposed to be the final day of the build, but will definitely not be the final day of the build. So, you know, I hope you come back. If you do, if you like these videos, especially this series that we're doing, please share the videos with your friends or on your social media. Hit that like button, and for crying out loud, would you please subscribe to the channel? I've gotten a few more subscribers this past week, and I thank you all, but I need some more. So if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? You're killing me. Subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and you won't miss any of the videos. That's going to do it for me, the old guy. I am the OG, and I'm out.